Hey people, this is my bike check, my Colony Endeavour. You see I've got my spare seat, which is the original. I got the new Colony seat, my spare tyre, which is also the back original. My animal ASM on the back right here. I got my pegs. Colony one way is really good. My Odyssey mono lever in purple rain right here. Very good. Bike's a bit dirty. Yeah, it's really good bike. I'd recommend it to anyone. Like seriously. It's too wet to ride, so yeah. Very wet outside. Thought I'd make a bike check. It's all pretty much stock, but yeah, it's a fucking great bike.